For Detective Tuesday today, we are going to talk about the suction filter for the accumulator system. This filter, you will see it in the lower part of the tank, and the way you are going to identify it is this cover with the cross pattern. To take this one apart, usually I use a pry bar and it fits perfectly into the system. I break loose this one a little bit so we don't have to fight that much with it, but once you manage to break it loose, just unscrew it. It is counterintuitive. You are going to feel like something is going to get full of oil because this is lower in your tank, but in the back of the filter, in the back of the canister, when the filter is all the way up, it opens a valve, it opens a cap. When you unscrew the filter, you can see how the cap is closing, so the oil inside the pump, it will stay inside the tank. The only oil you have to take care is the one around the filter, so you will lose maybe half a gallon, a couple of liters of oil. To disassemble this one, you take this one out, pull the filter out, install the new filter, slide it here to make it seal properly, center the cover once more. So once you get it centered, you can press it up a little by hand, hold the cover, hold the end, and you can make it seal again. It will stop. Slide it in, and when you slide this one in, the moment you make contact with the back, you will start opening the cover in the back, so the oil will go through the system, get filtered, and it goes to your accumulator pump. Please do not try to clean those filters, change them. Your accumulator filter and your boom filter has to be changed every 250 hours of pumping, and your main return filter, the long filter on top of inside the tank, every 500 hours. So back to this one. Don't worry, when you take this one apart, the cover in the back will close the system so you won't lose all your oil in the tank. One more thing, for this month, you can save because we have a parts special with our filters. Please talk to our parts department. Thank you.